Exercise 3, Positioning Stop. Joe Cerrone, CAD-210. We're going to draw this positioning stop using Solidworks. The overall dimensions of this part is 4 inches by 2.5 inches. And we have these 2 chamfers and these 3 holes. So we're going to start Solidworks. And we're going to start a new file. I'm going to get rid of the little swatch here, and I'm going to start a sketch on the front plane. And we're going to start off by drawing this part, which is going to be 4 inches by 2.5. And I'm going to double check that value because I've got an older textbook. So 4 inches by 2.5. And then we're going to start adding our dimensions. So I'm going to put a line here down the center at the midpoint here. And then I'm going to make this part symmetrical by applying a relation. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that this, this, and this are symmetric. And you'll see that now that they're black. So now that everything is about the origin, about the only thing I need is the angle for this line. So let's just see if we can put that in. Actually, we need the top value and then it'll work. 1.25. And I guess I need to add one more symmetric relation. As you can see, these two lines are symmetric, but these are not, and this is not. And so we'll say add a relation, and then we'll say this, and this, and this, and this. Nope, too many. Let's try it again. Add relation. Let's say this, this, and this are symmetric. Not good. So we'll undo that. We could put the midpoint of this line here, so let's try that. So let's escape out of that, and then let's just say we'll hover, add a relation, and we'll say this point and this line are our midpoint. There we go. And then I'm not sure why it doesn't look right. It could be I think they're right. Let's just add a center line to make sure that these are horizontal, and they are. So everything is fine. Just need a little bit more coffee. Let's add a couple more of the circular features here. So we'll add one here, and then we'll put one down here. And I'm going to mirror that one hole so that I have a symmetrical relation automatically. So I'll say mirror entities, and I'm going to clear this, although that was the right one, and I'll mirror it about this line right here, and then I'll add my smart dimensions to that, and my values for that will be 1/2 inch for the smaller circle and 1.25 for the larger one. Since they were symmetrical, they will both update. And then we'll locate those 0.75 from each edge and 0.75 up. And we'll locate this circle at 1.25. Okay, everything is fully constrained. If we take a look at here, it says fully defined, excuse me, and then the part thickness is 0.25. So we'll go to Features, Extrude Boss Base, and we'll extrude this 0.25, and I'm going to go the other direction, and green check mark. Let's add a color to it. I think we'll make this one magenta. And we'll then save this part. As exercise 3. And that completes this tutorial.